dumedepensa naman si Banyes, Jervy Cruz, Bruno Shundov, binalik na yan. After sitting out on foul trouble, you got Paul Lee. And here are the rain or shine, the last two painters umaatake ngayon. And Ronnie Matias brought the fifth guy sa lineup para sa rain or shine sa pag-umpisa ng ating fourth quarter. Foul away from the ball. Jay Wash, pangalawang personal ni Jay Wash. 14 seconds sa shot clock nitong Elasto Painters. Eight seconds. The move inside the lane. Spin. Gets the contact. Wanted a foul called. Wala yan. Tapik palabas pa ni Matias. So ball goes the other way.
So si Matias all the way from the outside, from the three-point area, taking Jay Wash to the hole and was almost successful.
Paul Lee at si Lanete. Backcourt pa lang. Bakbaka na. Lanete to the rim. Ayaw mag-settle itong mga to. Diretso sa basket. Foul was called after that miss. Chico Lanete.
Jay Wash visibly frustrated, feeling he's getting a short end of the calls or the non-calls.
Tama. Ibanez on the run, kicks it over to Shundov. Jumper from outside, pasok yan. Matagal ng tahimik sa scoring si Shundov, pero ngayon it's the payback period. 15 points in the ball game. Oh, ito, nadulas na naman si Joseph Yo. You gotta check that spot on the floor. Ilan na, bumagsak dyan sa area na yan. Chico Lanete just a while ago.
Well, mainit dito sa stadium sa Panabo. Napakadaming tao nga. So yung mga players natin are sweating a lot more than usual.
And they're hitting the deck. Medyo physical ang ating laro kanina pa. And so they gotta be extra careful itong mga officials natin para makita kung saan medyo masyadong makintab yung sahig. Kailangan punasan ng konti. Ito si Dorian. Dititira yan mula dyan. Pero ito, pwedeng tumira. Chico Lanete decides to take it inside. Passes over to Jay Wash. Pasok ang tira. And a chance for the three-point play. Pumito ang ating baseline referee.
Chico Lanete been playing solid basketball para sa Petron. Doing things like this, delivering the 2 points pretty much para kay Jay Washington.
He misses the bonus free throw. Puro white shirts ang nandun sa ilalim. And it looks like the Petron Blaze guys thought that he was surely gonna make that free throw. Wala nang tumayo sa free throw lane.
Well, magaling naman kasi ng free throw itong si Jay Wash.
Yung pasa ni Jervy kay Shundov. Shundov grabs the foul, gets the foul inside the shaded area. Pupunta sa linya para sa dalawang free throw si Shundov off the Dorian Peña foul. Of course, Shundov, an NBA veteran. Na-draft yan. Playing for the Mavericks. Naglaro yan para sa Celtics. He's been all over the world as a basketball vagabond. Makes 2 free throws. Isa na lang ang lamang ng Petron. 66-65. Tallest import in PBA history. Ito si Bruno Shundov.
Tapos ang ganda pa ng shooting.
Oo. Eh naman yung mga European na yan. Ha, parang last year, yung import itong Petron Blitz. Si Nick Pazikas, ganyan. Mga outside shot, ang galing. Chico Lanete fouls Gabe Norwood para mapigil ang possible fast break. The point guards have been playing well para sa Petron Blitz. Miranda, Lanete, and Alex Cabagnot.
The guards are contributing in terms of scoring and playmaking. Maganda, solid ang pinapakita nitong Petron Blaze as a team.
Tres ni Matias, di pumasok. Rebound Dorian Peña. Tumatakbo si Joseph Yo. Pinasa sa kanto. Bukas si Tubid. Masyado malakas ang tira niya. Jay Watt nakibagbakbakan sa dalawang white shirt sa ilalim. May foul na itatawag kontra sa isang Elasto Painter. It's probably gonna be Larry Rodriguez. Mas muna si Joseph Yo. Si Marshall Lassiter ang pinasok ni Coach Olson Nacela.
Not really
Kabagnot.
getting much from Joseph Yeo in this stint. So opting to go with a Marshall Lassiter.
And ang Alex Kabagnot na nagmintis dun sa tira na yon. It's gonna stay. Kasi nahawakan ng isang white shirt. 7 seconds sa shot clock. Kaya hindi tumama sa ring yun. So hindi nag-reset yung shot clock ng Petron. So let's see if they can come up with something. 7 seconds to go. Dahil kanina, nakakatatlong 24-second violation na itong Petron Blaze sa magandang depensa sa half court ng Rain or Shine. Bukas mula sa Trevor Marshall Lassiter, and he makes them pay.
That's a well set up play by Petron. Ang kagandahan nun, you know, it didn't come off a timeout. They just called it. They knew where to go. Wide open, si Lassiter.
You credit a 2 for that long shot. Gusto naman ng tres ni Matias. Masyadong malakas na naman yan. Backs out ni Dorian Peña kay Bruno Sundog. He was pushing him backwards. Our referee calls a foul on Dorian Peña. Apat na ni Dorian Peña. Yan, pang-apat na. Ito yung tira ni Marshall. Grabe nga to yung Lutz Lassiter na tandem na yan. Hindi talaga magkasama-sama yan. Kung kailan bumalik si Marshall, si Chris Lutz naman na na-injure. That's another player that they can't wait for him to get back. Dahil alam mo naman nadadala nitong si Chris Lutz. He's a very versatile player. Tumitira sa labas. He can go all the way to the basket.
And
He's a bit
super
taller.
quick.
Tama.
Super quick itong si Chris Lutz.
So let's not forget na injured na si Chris Lutz as well as Danny Ildefonso sa lineup ng Petron. Tubid, almost losing it in the lane. Who does he pass it to? The corner, Jay Wash. Masyadong malakas ang tres. Norwood, popostehan si Kabagnot. Kicks it out to the barreling Larry Rodriguez. There's a blocking foul mula kay Jay Wash.
Jay Wash a little bit late to get to that spot.
Nasa linya ngayon si Larry Rodriguez sabagat penalty na ang Petron Blaze, and with still 8:22 remaining, we always say yung other team pwede mag-take advantage ng sitwasyon na yan, try to get fouls and go to the line as often as they can. Ito na. Sumunang opensa naman, Aranya at Jeff Chan ang pinasok. Jairo Ibanez sits down. Free throws are good. It's just a 1-point lead para sa Petron Blaze. May tawag ang Petron. They're up by 1. 8:22 natitira sa ating laro.
Don't lose to oil. Win with new Master Oil Control Max Facial Scrub. Now with cooling zero oil that helps you control oil for up to 8 hours. Go beyond soap. Use new Master Oil Control Max Facial Scrub.
Just a half game out of first place dito sa ating team standings, partner. Alaska Aces at 6-2. Itong naglalaban ngayon sa gabi ito. Rain or Shine at Petron 5-2. So yung mananalo dito, tatabla sa Alaska Aces. Yung isa bababa sa solo second, which is actually third. So, well, a lot of things can happen in the next few days. Pero, as we said, we're past the midway point ng ating eliminations. Every game counts for every team.
Well, you look at these two teams, they want to be able to separate themselves from the other teams. Gusto nila makapunta dun sa upper tier. They are there, they want to stay there and keep it there. And talking about keeping it there and staying there, ito mga fans natin, grabe, no? Wala nang mga upuan dyan eh. Ginawa na lang ng upuan, ginawa ng paraan para lang makapanood ng PBA.
Kung saan pwedeng makaupo, doon sila umuupo. Sabit-sabit na lang. Dangling yung kanilang mga legs. Wala nang tsinelas, baka mahulog pa eh. Baka may mahulugan pa. Baka yun na nga inuupuan nila para medyo may cushioning. Pero they're here enjoying this ball game dahil dikit na dikit ang ating labanan. Marshall! And that was a 3-pointer mula kay Marshall Lassiter. Legitimate yun, 71-67. Balik sa apat ang lamang ng Petron.
You know, you credit Marshall Lassiter, but credit the entire team because napakaganda ng ikot at pag-set up ng play na yun, leaving Marshall wide open for that 3-point attempt.
Rodriguez, pumunta kay Norwood, pasok kay Sundog. Sundog kontra Peña. Yung bounce pass na agaw ni Ronald Tubid. Here's Kabagnot, pass over to Jay Wash, he loses it. Jeff Chan going the other way. Sundog to Rodriguez, foul Kabagnot. Yun yung maganda, kaya natutuwa yung mga fans natin. It's not the most high scoring of games. Wala masyadong mga slam dunk o ano-ano mga acrobatic shots. But it's back and forth and the fans are enjoying this immensely.
And the energy na pinapakita ng ating mga players here is that wide open 3-point shot by Marshall Lassiter by that well set up play. Unselfish ball for Petron Blaze.
(71-68), chance to bring this even closer. Ito si Larry Rodriguez. And he does. 7:33 natitira sa ating laro. At least sa regulation. J1. Dinalag kay Alex Cabagnot. Marshall lumabas para tanggapin ang bola. Makes his move. Jumper. 16 feet. Pasok na naman para kay Marshall. Mainit ang kamay ni Marshall Lassiter. That's 3 straight baskets para sa kanya.
Feeling it in the fourth quarter. 7 points for Marshall dito sa ating quarter na ito.
Norwood. Back to Shundov. Jumper over Peña. Rolls out. Ito si Cabagnot on the rebound.
Ang ganda ng depensa ng Petron doon, forcing Shundov into a outside shot and off the board. Marshall Lassiter feeling it.
Well, that was a heat check and it's still hot. Dahil off angle na nga mali pa yun Hindi yata naman yung tinawag yung pabandang tiro doon. Pasok pa rin para kay Marshall. 10 points in this quarter. 12 for the ball game. Shundov, malakas na naman ang tira. Siya naman ang humingi ng foul. Pero si Marshall ang natamaan ni Gabe Norwood in the backcourt. 7-point lead courtesy of Marshall Lassiter with 6:26 remaining.
Marshall Lassiter stopping on a dime. Off the board, 3-point shot on the fast break.
So he's
10
feeling
points para kay Marshall Lassiter dito sa quarter na ito.
He's feeling it. Ito si Marshall Lassiter. Pero inupo muna siya ni Coach Olsen. Pahinga muna siya. Might need him for that final stretch. Dito sa laro, upo na rin si Ryan Aranya. Alex Cabagnot is in the backcourt. Being hounded by Paulie. Arwin Santos, andyan na rin Junmar Fajardo, who's played really greatly dito sa ating laro. Filling that center slot. Oh, rather Marshall's filling the ball game. He hooks it over to Arwin. Arwin on the paint and he misses. Follow-up jam from the Kraken.
Junmar Fajardo just all over the place. Kakapasok lang niya. Sinasabi na siguro, sige, si Marshall kanina. Pero huwag niyo akong kalimutan. Fajardo with 18 points. This is that layup attempt by Arwin Santos. Then Junmar with a follow-up jam.
Dali, no? Pag ganyan kakalaki, you just follow it and jam it in. At there's a technical foul for handing the ball pagkatapos ng pagtira. So alam naman natin na hindi allowed yun. This is the delay of the game earlier sa Petron Blaze. At Petron Blaze booster handled the ball pagkatapos ng slam dunk na yun. 10-2 run ang nangyari dito. So 9-point lead para sa Petron Blaze. Alam mo si Arwin Santos, 3 layup na nanimintis sa laro to. But couple of those times there were offensive rebounds and putbacks from Junmar Fajardo.
Well, even if Arwin has been missing them, he's been contributing on the other end. Nakakadepensa naman itong si Arwin.
Shundov tumira ng tawag ng E3.
Bruno Shundov now with 20 points. Maganda ang kanyang first quarter pero natahimik siya ng second when he got into foul trouble as well as third in the third quarter. Now in the fourth quarter coming to life again.
5.5 remaining sa ating laro. Cabagnot. Lassiter, 4 seconds to go. Fading away on the left. Bitin ang kanyang tira. He finally misses. Paulie tumatakbo. He'll challenge the defense. Supalpal sa taas ni Marshall Lassiter. Great chase down mula kay Marshall. Wanted to make up for that miss mula dun sa kanto. Arwin, inilapit ang bola. Hinawakan na lang ni Bo Belga. Bagsak na nahik si Arwin Santos. Humihingi ng flagrant foul ng coaching staff ng Petron. Sabi ni Bo, ikaw naman, hindi naman. Pinulot pa niya talaga.
Alam mo, bibihira tumulong si Bo Belga dun sa mga pina-foul niya.
We'll take a break.
Bawang classmate, sali ka!
Pero bago shoes ko.
Binaga na yung new shoes mo. Sige lang, anak! Sige! Go, Maggie, go! Kung ang pagmamansya ay may bagong kaibigang dala, sige sa mancha! Dahil ngayon, meron ang All New Breeze Active Bleach. May revolutionary active bleach system. Tanggal kahit ang pinakamatinding mancha.
Mami!
All New Breeze Active Bleach.
Sige sa mancha!
May init na strikes at goals ang muling bibida sa Barclays Premier League. Babandera ang number 1 club, Manchester United, laban sa hindi magpapatalong Reading Football Club. That's on March 18, 5 p.m. Dito lang yan sa Active. Pero yung nasa Active ngayon, PBA Sabado Nights, Petron Blaze, 78, Rain or Shine, 72. Ako po si Charlie Cuna, kasama ko si Dominic Uy. This game is in Panabo, Davao del Norte. And just a while ago, yan ang foul ni Bo Belga. Ano ba tawag? Parang may Greco-Roman move sa wrestling na gano'n eh. May tawag din, hindi ko na maalala kung ano eh. Pero just a regular foul. Parang gano'n ba? Parang gano'n ba yung tinawag? Ito yung tinawag doon is just a regular foul. Kapag not into the lane, he loves shooting those one-handers like that. Pasok! Pero, aray.
That's a good take by Alex Cabagnot all the way to the basket.